Hello guys, welcome to our channel Accidental. Today we are going to discuss about oral cancer, which is a very important topic in dentistry. So, firstly, incidence of cancer. According to World Health Report 2004, cancer accounted for 7.1 million deaths in 2003. Estimated that overall number of new cases increases by 50% in next 20 years. Incidence of oral cancer is high among men than in women. Oropharyngeal cancer is more in developing countries than in developed countries. In India, it is estimated that 2 to 2.5 million cancer patients at any given point of time, with 0.7 million new cases diagnosed every year, and among them half dies. Then, etiology and risk factors for oral and maxillofacial cancer. Firstly, genetic susceptibility. Genetic susceptibility refers to familial history and is considered as a major risk factor. Then, immune status. Clinically noticed that immunosuppressed individuals tend to show increased level of oral malignancies. Environmental factors. Exposure to actinic radiation and day-by-day increase in air pollution plays a key role in increased cases of cancer. However, it is to be noticed that etiology is still questionable. Tobacco. All forms of tobacco, smoke, smokeless, chewable, inhaled, such as cigarettes, pipes, cigars, biddies, pan, and snuff, triggers oral cancer. Carcinogens refer to cancer causing element present in tobacco based substances causes cancer. Alcohol. Alcohol consumption is the most important risk factor for the development of oral cancer in non-smokers. It is said that daily consumption of 30 ml of alcohol increases the risk factor. Liver cancer is mostly caused due to consumption of alcohol. Some major effect of alcohol on oral cavity are: firstly, ethyl alcohol increases the permeability of oral mucosa, and ethyl alcohol also makes the keratinocyte more prone to carcinogenic substances. Molecular basis of oral cancer. Molecular basis of oral cancer basically divided into three categories. They are cellular kinetics, second, tumor growth and metastasis, and lastly, molecular abnormalities. Generation of time is required for quiescent cell to cancer cell. Malignant cells usually have a shorter generation time than non-malignant cell. Compared to large tumor, small tumors have high percentage of actively dividing cells and thus show greater rate of proliferation. Then, tumor growth and metastasis. As days passes, tumor grows, the nutrients are provided to the tumor by direct diffusion from the circulation. Local growth facilitated by enzymes and cytokines that alter or destroy adjacent tissue. Then, molecular abnormalities. Molecular abnormalities refers to genetic mutation that results in cancer-forming cells. Then, clinical signs of oral cancer. The most difficult phase is to early diagnose cancer-forming cells. Early diagnosis can save patient life. That is why time in which the cancer-forming cells detected plays crucial role in treatment of the cancer. Detection of cancer in respective site in oral cavity is described below. Firstly, carcinoma of buccal mucosa. Lesion arises from frequently along or inferior to a line opposite to occlusion. Carcinoma of floor of the mouth, basically found more in men as the smoke and abuse tobacco a lot more than women. Seen most frequently in anterior portion of floor of oral cavity. Carcinoma of labial mucosa, mostly seen in people keeping a mixture of tobacco and lime in the labial vestibule. Common symptoms are growth or swelling, soreness, and ulceration of lip which does not heal. Carcinoma of tongue, cancer confined to tongue. Three categories: exophytic, ulcerative, and infiltrative. Carcinoma of palate generally occurs in pipe smokers. They are poorly defined, ulcerated, painful lesions on the side of the midline. Then, carcinoma of maxillary sinus, caused basically by sinusitis, snuff, and smoke abuse. Occupational habits like boot factories, metal workers, etc. Males affected in greater proportion than women. Lateral wall involvement, posterior and infraorbital nerve, trigeminal involvement occurs. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe.